Hello, and welcome to this video on how to write a cover letter for journal submission using artificial intelligence. Writing a cover letter is an important step in submitting your research paper to a journal and can help you make a good impression on the editor. As you see, I created this cover letter using ChatGPT and my article got accepted faster than ever. So in this video, we'll walk you through the steps of creating a cover letter using the assistance of ChatGPT.
Step 1. Gather the required information.
The first step in creating your cover letter is to gather all the required information. This includes the name and contact information of the editor or journal, the title of your paper, and any relevant information about the journal's submission guidelines. Once you have this information, you can proceed to the next step.
Step 2. Open ChatGPT and type in your prompt.
Just head over to Google and search for OpenAI or ChatGPT. Once you see the link to the OpenAI website, go ahead and click on it. When the website opens up, simply scroll down until you find the section labeled ChatGPT. Underneath that section, you'll see a button that says Try It Now. Click on it. On the opened page, just choose the Sign Up button, enter your email address and phone number. It's as simple as that. Once you've done that, you'll be all set up and ready to go.
Step 3. Use ChatGPT's assistance to write your cover letter.
Next, open ChatGPT and type in your prompt. For example, you might say, I need help writing a cover letter for journal submission. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on your prompt. Once you have ChatGPT's response, you can use its assistance to write your cover letter. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas for the content of your cover letter, suggest appropriate phrasing, and help you proofread and edit your letter.
Step 4. Review and refine your cover letter.
After you've written your cover letter using ChatGPT's assistance, it's important to review and refine it. Make sure that your letter is well organized, includes all the necessary information, and is free from grammatical and spelling errors. You may also want to have someone else review your letter before submitting it to the journal. Congratulations! You've successfully written a cover letter for journal submission using ChatGPT's assistance. Remember, a well-written cover letter can make all the difference when it comes to getting your research paper accepted for publication. Thank you for watching and good luck with your submission.